Hi guys, Scott McPharlin here from Magain Real Estate and welcome to 16 Apollo Street in beautiful Woodcroft. I've got a classic, perfect first home buyer house. Downsizers are going to love this one as well. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, open plan living with a nice little courtyard with the perfect amount of grass to have a little pet as well. Why don't we go inside and check it all out? So there you have it, what a fantastic home. It's really going to suit all the first home buyers and downsizers because it's in such a good location. You're obviously very close to Woodcroft Plaza Shopping Centre as well as Woodcroft College, and you've got easy access to the expressway to get into town for work. It's a perfect location for all those buyers that are looking in this area. My name's Scott McPharlin from Magain Real Estate. Can't wait to see it in open soon.